I found a mushroom over here. There are two mushrooms side by side. I'll take some picture with a additional lighting. I'll take this picture of this mushroom with an additional lighting with this small flashlight to have a better picture. Let me show you. I'm going to hold the light in different direction. I'll move the light in different direction while taking the shots. So someone will be bad, someone will be good. Let me find some, take some pictures. I'm throwing the light from the top. Some are out of focus and some are in good focus. You see, this one without flash. I'll go home and transfer all the pictures in my Lightroom and edit little bit, crop little bit, and show you at the end of the video. Let me switch off the lights. So hopefully I will end today. I'm not going to walk anymore. It's about a couple of hours I've been walking around. Because of the strong wind, there are some insufficient light somewhere. I couldn't find any more subject. The main purpose of today's video is to test this diffuser material, which I got it from a LED television. I have uploaded the making process of this radiant diffuser and many more techniques in my channel. If you want to make it yourself, please give me a buzz in the comment box. I'll send you the dimensions of all these diffusers I've made in my Google Drive. If you have any question about macro photography or a radiant diffuser or lighting system or accessories, please let me know. I'll try to answer any question regarding macro photography. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.